Stana. Stana. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Stana, me patrol. Me was a me patrol. Day na see na me dem be show. Acha me see why. Stana.
Na se wo kasa ya so na editie kasa nye ye ni na editie kasa se wo kasa me tie wa me obobo stana wo se de
Me set me patrol day na me ba na see asay. Na me dem be show.
The woman me a kind of nigga be I live in a principle life, so I say. And I'm assuming what way and next me fiti ya no be a be madam for. Me pound shit. Say me man point a finger at you, no man can say, or me person way madam for. There is no way you're gonna be my friend, you feel me? My way you first and last, so I say. Say you meet me, I'll be there, you'll be asking me unnecessary questions. We no cry, monkey twana me you feel me? So you got to be careful whenever you are dealing with me next time. So I say.
Yeah, Matina. Stand up, my patrol.
So maybe.
I think it's even I'm person between. On say, if you honey, I will know. A man, a wolf, I see a doors.
So,
see, the patron pesenka. Me young, she should be me, Pama, me porch, or say, like, what the may were down for. Na, a man never honey will say, what down for me, no pen of me, fear.
Send me or down for.
But try.
Let me see something. Well said, but you see, everything should be a privacy, so I said, because me will feel say and try say be a me answer me chatting when you try to come closer me. Whereas I maybe me go and say eye to eye contact. Ebia se me pese oba me tia. It's my when me say a child that me say man, but oba na me ha me say just say I'm not in a good mood. So what I say. So they work come at it for the sake of say pese girls know who say what down for me. I got nothing with it. So what I say. You can just leave.
We are friends.
It's not say a year as 100% friend. It's just something that you requested. And requesting a chrono like Afrina, I think you can say Madonna Wokakra and any kind crash say me yo by hi until the matter. No problem, you are friends here.
Okay. Cool.
Okay. She's up to something. Hello.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yeah.
You was what if you have
Why not?
Oh, let me do it for you.
Okay.
What's your first?
The firm is Stana.
Oh, wow. You are the new guy in this house, eh?
Yeah.
But you're not okay.
Me tap me trying to and come be booby now come a call shit down, eh?
Don't worry, let me help you with it, okay?
Oh no, it's okay, it's what I say. I'm cool, yeah? I'm cool. Okay.
Like, I'm coming with the picture. Like, I don't want you. You are such a nice guy. You don't have to stress yourself, you know.
I'll say, wait, so the coin won't rent you. Go the party. So, persuade the party.
Okay. But like, who for him by? What do you do? Like, do you have a girlfriend? Like,
what kind of stupidity is this? Huh? You came here, I allow you just to say, you are here asking me unnecessary questions. Huh? I don't know what to pull low from me, massa. Are you mad? I don't know just someone in Nama Bontin and Moses in Mema Pemeboa. They say, Come on, get out from my side, and just sound because I'm not with you. Say, what are you looking at? What's your name? Double so dying. Get out from here. But who's your boss? Do you work for me? No, what? What do you have to say? Get out. I said get out. Cheap girl. All like you. Get out. Just say, when we say, hey, I can see men stand a bit na pipe now to 2 makeups about. But the makeups in the other. Next time, just try this and you'll see. You know, to us about a blaster number 5.
Hey, Jane. I'm not a man who wants someone here. Who don't want to cry. When you're looking at them, broken heart. Sister, no, I'm going to say, I can't look so pretty. Me cry them say they are too many men. I'm going to say this worried. Any other issue? I didn't ask me. I call it. Now, omo go abroche no ebi enkrase for sir. Hey. Sister na no someone who am boga me. Stama. Princess. Say insure mo work as insure bo me. Adai, Juma guy ni die di me no. How? Juma what did you say? Princess, manon to no ese dem de popo. Guy ni buns you. You say ja. You know be a person guy here fine. Na mbeka nko da nko. Message jana me ni brasa na meka. Jai. Odo wa what ya. Hey! So na bata. So what ya? Na ba na ninte sa. Ele ka fla. Uni mo kanyes me mo baby akwa kwesti. What ya? Me to ato me ho sister. Makojina hwehwembe 1 hour. Na me share from here to toe. As in some work can be some me say am park. With okaya ka chem say manantri say dem bo. Oh no. Hey, when we just February na aba. E na topia sa no. Juma boy dia be dimi. Eh na unzo nya unzo de. They be say oh. Ya kokko intranka janka me so me etu contract no. When you don't catch it, mommy, yes, say, you know, when I'm for Mrs. So, when it's a main crash on this one, come here, no. What's my enemy? It's all mighty sim who crash on boy in the show. The Bion is so what I say, so be fair, brochure banner. The switch means before I drink corona. When I am member, I don't know it minutes. Next one is because maybe I am sacram for it. Man, it's 2 when you know. No. We are 2 when you know. Nothing to pull for your good face, crabit me, you see. I wanted more DD man. And I walk and so she was there. Says maybe you walk as will be oticus. And what time? Hey. In a walk away across this movie though. My cause I said we are brushing crossing towns, bitches. Maybe I'm not. Ebusuane na ebusuane go romele ne kwa bo chire ebusuane nkasa de won shada first come mama woni nte ti course ne ade na woni ne boy na ye mi o typical o aboche so krase tie ni kasa mu se de osi tufun hey punches pa nya izo just I found boy I'm the been ampe ni ana cheme se hwifo ni kunsufo ni mankrasofo no me there apart from one boy ana there should of kunsumo when you kunsu anu go se hwe sound iwe da no edi Pese boy na ye mi o. Mi se de no ye mi no mi ko gina hwehwe mu ro mi hu ya na mi jona mi hwa hwehwe. Mpesa hwehwe de ka bibi kire mi. Se me no ntwe mi de bobo a. So what I say? Oh no, captain. Ono tumi tufu mo obi man papa go ja. Pese we de boy no me de crash now crash when so you any no. Me say no bi na cheme na me yi me ni say. Me ni be me da wa mama sun kra me file o. Yes, where do you know? Why she no rasi or cry or the better?
I'm listening to you.
Stana, I called you here to tell you something interesting.
Always you got something interesting to tell me, but hey, later on or not, my
Trust me, this one will be surprising.
Surprise. Do you know what I really like surprises? I really like Stana, hey, have this banya. This is it, because you know, man is always hot, innit?
Okay. This one is different. I called you here to tell you that I'm interested in you. I want us to date. I mean, I want to be a girlfriend so that you can be my boyfriend. Please.
Dear Ben, I won't home I said chinchina opese me.
Come on.
I'm just asking you a question. You're telling me come on. Come on, dear Ben, come on.
The type of what do you call it? The guy I want to be with.
Yeah, the type of guy you want to be with. You barely know me. You're telling me here that I'm the kind of type Deben you are, or just want to be with. Woman, see me. I'm very, very expensive guy. If you want to date me, you have to make sure your pocket is full, innit?
Come on.
You feel me? That's why say me say me new baby I had Errol. That wasn't better enough your like almost 1 month now. Say we know baby I be and I say me know baby I call. Yes. Because me she say make keep me body ni make keep me system we na sebi me demand ya kura to kurubim. Nah, that's why say Obama China. You have to make sure your packet is full before.
Don't worry. I'll manage.
Manage?
Yeah.
Right now, when I tell you give me 1,000 Ghana, can you give me? No.
Maybe you consider me. If not full, it could be half or something.
You're trying to trick me or something else. But only my DB, as you said, you know, I have to consider. That's what I said. Who knows tomorrow? It's not say I don't have money. I got money here, but my pounds and dollars, you know, they say a swat. So I got to wait. Say, so sad, be pija because projects now me and I know what thing. So I said, maybe almost bear $50,000 an hour and 20,000 pounds. The caboma, a call almost bear 1 million. I'm being right here. You are the first person that may reveal this secret at you. You are rich. What's my mama come secret at you?
Maybe you feel me too. Affection is real.
I don't follow you. I just follow what you got. That's it. What am I say? Let me see you tonight. Bye.
Stella. Hey, where you got guy? And the chimney no, and the chimney. That guy can't see can no cause